Top 25 Internet and Social Media Milestones. What's up everyone, it's Wonderstream Videos. Today we're diving into the digital age, we're talking about the internet, social media, and how it all blew up. This is our countdown of the 25 biggest moments that changed how we connect. So hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Chapter 1, 1969. ARPANET, the Internet's beginning. It started in 1969 with ARPANET, a network for researchers to share information. 1991, the World Wide Web goes public. The Internet transformed from a niche tech project to a public phenomenon. Chapter 3, 1993, Mosaic, the first real web browser. Navigating the early Internet was tough, then Mosaic arrived in 1993. Chapter 4, 1998, Google revolutionizing Internet search. Chapter 5, 2001, Wikipedia, knowledge for everyone. Wikipedia aimed to make knowledge free and accessible, becoming the world's largest collaborative encyclopedia. Chapter 6, 2003, MySpace, the original social network. Before Facebook, there was MySpace, launched in 2003, a taste of social networking. Chapter 7, 2004, Facebook connecting the world. 2004, Facebook changed how we connect with friends, family, and strangers. Chapter 8, 2005, YouTube, a new era. Chapter 9, 2006, Twitter, 140 characters that changed everything. Twitter burst onto the scene in 2006, showcasing the power of microblogging. Chapter 10, 2007, the iPhone, putting the internet in our pockets. The world changed forever in 2007 when Apple launched the iPhone, putting the internet right at our fingertips. Chapter 11, 2007, the hashtag organizing chaos. The hashtag revolutionized how we categorize and discover information online. Chapter 12, 2010, Instagram, a picture is worth 1,000 likes. Instagram exploded in 2010, making photo sharing a cultural phenomenon. Chapter 13, 2011, Snapchat, the rise of ephemeral messaging. Snapchat, launched in 2011, introduced disappearing messages. Chapter 14, 2012, Facebook acquires Instagram, a powerhouse is born. In 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion, marking a significant milestone in social media history and changing the landscape forever. Chapter 15, 2013, Vine 6 Seconds of Fame began. Chapter 16, 2016, Facebook lived the power of now. Facebook Live, launched in 2016, brought live streaming to everyone. Chapter 17, 2018, TikTok, a new era of short-form video. TikTok took the world by storm in 2018, proving short-form video is here to stay. Chapter 18, 2020, Clubhouse, the allure of audio. Clubhouse emerged in 2020, offering a new twist on social networking with audio-only chat rooms. Chapter 19, 2020, the pandemic, social media's defining moment. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 had a profound impact on social media, transforming online platforms into essential lifelines for connection and communication. Chapter 20, 2021, Twitter Spaces joining the audio revolution. Twitter launched Spaces in 2021, its take on audio-only chat rooms. Chapter 21, 2021, NFTs, digital ownership and the Metaverse. NFTs exploded in 2021, highlighting digital ownership. Chapter 22, 2021, the Metaverse, the future of connection. Mark Zuckerberg announced Facebook's plans to build a persistent virtual world. Chapter 23, social media and politics, a complex relationship. Social media is deeply intertwined with politics, influencing elections and shaping public opinion. Chapter 24, The Fight Against Misinformation. The rise of social media brings a new challenge, combating misinformation. Chapter 25, The Future of the Internet. What's next for us? So, there you have it. The top 25 milestones that shaped the internet and social media into what they are today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos exploring the world of tech and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring and connecting.